Social Cam, Pastor Chris here, living, loving, laughing, learning. It's about 11:53, April 29th, 2013. I promised I was going to try to give you guys something every day leading up to the Privilege to Worship concert on Saturday, May 4th, 2013. Doors open at 6 p.m. We'll be at the Grace Worship Center Church in the beautiful city of Hartford, Connecticut. I'm tired. Our state's capital. On 750 Weathersfield Avenue. I want to see you all there. This is going to be a fantastic worship concert. Minister K. Stephen Wilson, my sister, Evangelist Janice Jen Smith is going to be ministering as well, along with yours truly. It's just going to be a night of new anointed material that I promise is going to bless you, but you got to come out and see for yourself. There's no admission, there's no charge. So let's just pack the house out. Let's just knock the roof off with our worship, with our praise. Let's show Hartford and the surrounding areas how much we really love God, and that we don't just do this just because the church is open. We do it because it's our responsibility, man. All right, I love you all so much. So we got, today is Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5-day countdown. 4 hours and 6 minutes from now, it's going to be the 4-day countdown. So I'm going to hit you again tomorrow, rehearsing in one way or another just about every day this week, grinding. If you don't grind, you don't get it. If you don't make excuses, if you make excuses, it's not going to happen. Don't make excuses, make it happen. That's my thing right there. Yeah, don't make excuses, make it happen. So it's just a good time. So I want to see you all. I'd love to see pastors there, first ladies there, worship leaders there, people who just love God there, people who don't know God. I want you to come out. It's going to be an environment for everyone, but you'll leave the way God sees you. I promise. I promise. All right. I love you all so much. All right. I hope to hear from you. Leave me your comments. Let me know what's going on. Repost this video if you can. If you're not busy Saturday, please come out. All right. Support Connecticut. Support good music. Support Pastor Chris Edwards Ministry. Support Minister Janice Smith. Support K. Stephen Wilson. All right. I love you so much. Thank you. Good night.